Hello, marketers and business enthusiasts. Today, we are exploring the delight stage of the inbound methodology, where the focus shifts from turning leads into customers to transforming customers into brand advocates. You might wonder if analyst reports are still relevant at this stage. The answer is a resounding yes. Analyst reports continue to be a valuable asset during the delight stage, and in this video, we'll uncover who specifically benefits from them. Please like, share, and hit the notification button to get alerts when we upload new inbound marketing content. Let's dive in. Understanding the delight stage. Before we dive into the details, let's briefly review the delight stage of the inbound methodology. At this point, you've successfully converted leads into customers, but the journey doesn't end there. The delight stage is all about creating exceptional customer experiences, building loyalty, and turning customers into raving fans. The role of analyst reports. You might wonder how analyst reports fit into this stage. Analyst reports offer more than just acquisition benefits. They play a crucial role in customer delight as well. Let's find out who needs these reports during the delight stage. Let's explore. Providing ongoing value. The delight stage is all about providing ongoing value to your customers. Analyst reports can help you achieve this goal. By using the insights from these reports, you can offer personalized recommendations, solutions, and tips that address your customers' unique needs and challenges. Reinforcing trust and credibility. During the delight stage, it's crucial to reinforce trust and credibility with your customers. Analyst reports can be an excellent tool for this purpose. By sharing the latest research and trends from respected analysts, you reaffirm your customers' belief that they made the right decision choosing your brand. Identifying upselling and cross-selling opportunities. Analyst reports offer valuable market insights that can help identify upselling and cross-selling opportunities. With this data, your sales team can proactively present relevant products or services that complement your customers' existing purchases, enhancing their overall experience. Enhancing customer education. The delight stage is an opportunity to empower your customers through education. Analyst reports can be a rich source of knowledge. You can use the data and analysis from these reports to create educational content, webinars, or workshops that deepen your customers' understanding of industry trends and best practices. Wrapping it up, analyst reports are indeed valuable during the delight stage of the inbound methodology. They help you provide ongoing value, reinforce trust, identify upselling opportunities, and enhance customer education. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, keep delighting your customers.